Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that's been generating a lot of buzz in the grooming world, the BaBylissPRO FXONE GOLDFX Limited Edition Prepack. This sleek, gold-colored set includes two tools, a high-performance outlining trimmer and a double foil stick shaver, both designed to help you create sharp lines, edges, and achieve a close, clean shave. So let's break this down and see if it's truly as impressive as it looks. The FXONE GOLDFX kit comes with two professional-grade tools. The outlining trimmer is crafted for precision, making it perfect for shaping and detailing. Whether you're tidying up your beard or creating defined edges, this trimmer promises sharp, clean lines. It's battery-powered for flexibility, so you can take it on the go, and it features a boosted battery for longer performance between charges. The second tool in the kit is the double foil stick shaver, designed for a smooth, close shave. This is ideal for users who want to achieve a clean shave without irritation. It's also battery-powered, and the double foil technology helps deliver that clean, almost barbershop quality shave, even at home. In terms of real-world experience, I've had a chance to test both tools, and here's what stood out. The outlining trimmer, with its sharp edges, worked like a charm for detailing. Whether I was shaping my husband's beard or cleaning up the neckline, it delivered smooth and accurate cuts. The trimmer feels comfortable in hand, and its compact size allows for precision without causing fatigue. The double foil stick shaver, on the other hand, was a bit of a revelation. It glided effortlessly across the skin and delivered a remarkably close shave, even on tough spots like the jawline. I did appreciate the fact that it didn't irritate the skin, which can sometimes happen with more aggressive shavers. Both devices have a premium feel, with the gold finish adding that touch of luxury. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. Pros: the gold finish adds a high-end touch, and both tools feel premium and durable. The outlining trimmer is incredibly precise, perfect for detailed work around the beard or hairline. The double foil shaver provides a smooth, irritation-free shave, which is great for sensitive skin. Battery life is solid. Thanks to the boosted battery, you won't be constantly recharging. Cons: while both tools are excellent in terms of performance, the gold finish can be a little slippery when wet, which might be an issue for those with more intense grooming routines. Both devices are on the pricier side, which could make it feel like a bit of an investment if you're just getting into grooming tools. As for value for money, if you're someone who appreciates precision grooming tools and is willing to invest in quality, the price tag may be justified. The durable design and excellent performance justify the cost for anyone looking for professional-level results at home. In terms of alternatives, there are certainly other trimmers and shavers on the market, but none with the same sleek, limited edition gold design. The BaBylissPRO tools offer a step up in both aesthetics and performance, so if you're looking for something that blends style with function, this kit is hard to beat. However, if you're on a tighter budget, there are similar tools with comparable functionality at lower prices, though they might not offer the same level of precision or premium experience. Build quality is top-notch. Both tools feel robust in hand, and the design is made to withstand regular use. The battery life is commendable too, especially given the boosted performance of the battery in both tools. If you've ever interacted with BaBylissPRO customer support, you'll know they're responsive and helpful. I haven't personally had any issues, but the brand is known for handling customer inquiries promptly and professionally, which adds to the overall experience. To wrap up, the BaBylissPRO FXONE GOLDFX Limited Edition Prepack certainly lives up to its promise. It's a high-quality, well-designed kit that provides great performance for those who want precision and a smooth shave. While it's priced on the higher side, the investment is worth it for those looking for a professional-grade grooming experience. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. And if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.